Welcome to our channel. Today we how to recover your teaching skills with teacher.org quick tutorial step by step clearly. Visit teacher.org's website to access a wealth of resources. Explore the various sections dedicated to teacher skills and development. Look for the professional development area on the homepage. Here you will find targeted resources designed to help you refresh your teaching skills. Select the specific teaching skills you want to improve or regain. Choose from categories like classroom management, lesson planning, and instructional strategies. Click on the relevant links for articles and tutorials. Read through the available materials at your own pace. Take notes on key techniques and methods that resonate with you. Consider joining webinars or online workshops offered by teacher.org. These can provide interactive learning experiences and real-time feedback. Sign up for any newsletters to stay updated on new resources. Engage with the community forums to share experiences and gain insights. Connect with other educators facing similar challenges. Practice your skills by implementing new strategies in your teaching. Reflect on your progress and adjust your approach as needed. Utilize assessment tools provided by teacher.org to measure your improvement. Set specific goals for your teaching development journey. Regularly revisit the website for additional resources and updates. Stay committed to enhancing your teaching skills with consistent practice. Remember, recovery and growth in teaching require time and effort. By utilizing teacher.org, you can effectively regain your confidence and expertise. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.